Hello, hi. I just want to take this time to thank all our key workers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Krishni Waring. I'm Chair of Northamptonshire Healthcare Foundation Trust. I just wanted to say an enormous thank you to all our key workers for everything you've done over the last 18 months. I know it's been a really, really difficult year for many people, and you've all stepped up so amazingly well to help and support people through this pandemic. So thank you very much for everything you've done. Stay safe, keep well, look after your own well-being, and thank you again.
Hello, my name's Toby Sanders. I'm the Chief Executive of NHS Northamptonshire, and I wanted to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you to all of our key workers and all of our health and care staff across Northamptonshire who've done such an amazing job over the last 18 months of supporting our local people, helping to keep people safe and helping people to live through such difficult, challenging circumstances. A massive thank you from me personally to all of you.
Hi, I'm Simon Weldon, Group Chief Executive of Kettering Hospital and Northampton Hospital. I just wanted to thank you all for attending the Health and Wellbeing virtual event this week. It's been an amazing week. We've had speakers like Ruby Wax and Gareth Thomas who provided some really profound insights for how we can all take better care of ourselves. So as we close the week, I just wanted to thank you all for the contribution that you make every day, and to remind you all to take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, take care of your physical health, and to say again, thanks so much for all you do for all of our patients every day.
Hello, I'm Anna Earnshaw and I'm the Chief Executive of West Northants Council. I just want to add my heartfelt thanks to everybody else's to say thank you to all key workers. You have been the lifeblood that's kept things going and ticking over during the COVID crisis, and you've cared for people so well and done such long hours, and I know how tired everybody is, but I want to make sure that everybody knows how appreciated your efforts are, so a huge thank you to you all.
I can't imagine the sorts of stresses that they've been through, and I don't want to pretend to imagine that. I read books about the First World War and the life in the trenches because I can't and won't ever be able to imagine what it was like to have been in that situation. And now, as much as I try to empathise physically as to what, and mentally as to what these people have been through, I can't do it. But that doesn't in any way negate my enormous admiration for what they've done and how much they've given under extraordinary duress and sometimes without proper support. And I think as much as we will never forget the trials and tribulations and the giving of those in those trenches, I and our generations that have lived through this lockdown will never forget how much was given by the key workers during the last year to 18 months and how much is yet to be given. And I grew up in a 3 up, 3 down, went to a comprehensive school. For me, I believed in a world whereby we should all have equal access to good health and good education. So I've always been a champion of the National Health Service, and I can tell you that I'm only sat here again having this conversation with you because the National Health Service has, at various points in my life, kept me alive. So my admiration and respect is boundless. And
Hi, hello everybody. Chris Oakes here, Director of HR and OD for Northamptonshire Healthcare Foundation Trust. Just want to say hello to everybody as we're coming to the end of the virtual Wellbeing Festival, which has been such a fabulous event. I certainly looked in on the Ruby Wax session, among others, which was really great. But what I really want to do is take this opportunity to say thank you to all our staff across the system. All the work you've been doing through the pandemic, everything you've coped with, everything you've delivered, the fantastic care you've given to patients has been amazing. So I just wanted to thank everybody for all their amazing work and just hope you have a great weekend and you've enjoyed the festival. Thanks very much.
Hi, I just want to say a big thank you to all of the key workers across Northamptonshire who have worked tirelessly over the last year or so to support our communities and businesses. I really mean it. Thank you so much for your dedication and help.
Hello everyone, it's Dr. Mathendra Purelia, your clinical lead for Northamptonshire ICS. I'd like to give a big thank you to all the NHS and care colleagues who I know have worked so hard throughout the pandemic and continue to do so. Like myself, I know how hard it's been on the front line, and it continues to get busier, but I'm sure the NHS colleagues that we've worked with and our care colleagues will help to achieve and get us out of this pandemic. Thank you, and a big thank you to all of you who really worked on the front line and given up their personal time, their family time, and I hope the new year will bring us much more things and a big win for England in the Euro 2020. Thank you.
Looking forward soon to seeing everyone at the festival, and thank you to all our amazing key workers. You've been an invaluable part of the community.
Hello, I'm David Mayer, the Deputy Chief Exec at NHFT. I just want to say a huge thanks to everyone who's worked in the Northamptonshire system and indeed regionally, supporting people during this really difficult time of COVID, and particularly for me as a resident of the county and joining the services new here. It's been so remarkable seeing the work that's happened in vaccine programmes and indeed the join up between partners across local authorities and mental health and acute sector providers and primary care. So that's really inspirational to know going forward. Some of the good things out of COVID are that we're a joined up, connected system, ready to do the best for our patients and for each other, as that's part of our role too. So many thanks and best wishes again.
Hi everybody, I'm Russ. I'm the CEO of Voluntary Impact Northamptonshire. I'd like to personally thank all of our dedicated and hard-working key workers for their unstinting efforts over the past 12 months. I think society and communities would be a lot poorer without your presence, so keep up the good work.
I think a key lesson from the pandemic is that not all superheroes wear capes. So actually everyday superheroes, they might wear name badges and a lanyard to say who they are. They might wear sensible work shoes and they wear PPE, plenty of PPE. Key workers, everyday superheroes, I salute you.
I'm Dr Joanne Watt. I'm GP Chair of Northamptonshire Clinical Commissioning Group and I'm a local GP. I want to say a really big thank you to everybody who has worked so hard during such a challenging year, and everybody has had to overcome different obstacles and different challenges. In particular, I'd like to thank the health and care workers who have worked diligently throughout this year and all the key workers who have kept us safe and supported throughout this time. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Chris Duff, Chief Executive of Age UK Northamptonshire, and I'm very pleased to say a big thank you to all the key workers and volunteers who have helped make life a little bit better for so many during this crisis.
I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of our colleagues working within the county for the support you provide to our communities. You really do a wonderful, amazing job, and want to thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Hi, Jean Knight here. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Northamptonshire Healthcare Foundation Trust. Just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you, and thank you for everything that you've done over the last 12 months and beyond. You really have been phenomenal, and as part of the Northamptonshire Health and Social Care team, I just wanted to say thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dan Cross from Strongmen, and I just want to say a big thank you from the Strongmen charity to all of our NHS key workers that have done such an amazing job throughout this whole pandemic. We love you, we think you're amazing, keep doing that great work.
Good morning everybody, I'm Angela Hillary, Chief Executive of Northamptonshire Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust. And I wanted to take the opportunity at the end of our virtual Wellbeing Festival to reach out to every single one of you and to say thank you. A thank you to all the key workers who continue to support us to manage the pandemic in Northamptonshire and to provide the care and support and health interventions and all of the interventions that we provide collectively for our population. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that you do, and I want everybody to hear that collective thank you from me to all of you. Take care. I hope you've been enjoying the festival. I hope you've had a chance to access it, and if you haven't yet, please do so because there's still opportunity. And once again, very, very pleased. Couldn't be more proud of every single one of you. Take care.